Spring. Days grow longer, sun burns through fog, buds plump with color. Air warms and releases honeybees. Cocoons crack and wings unfold. Sparrows sing from treetops. Behind me on the sidewalk, a small blonde girl in a daisy-covered dress sings too, a song I once knew. On vigilante justice. I want to wander the night like Batman, wrap myself in tight leather vengeance, arm myself with batarangs and grappling hooks, and swing from building to building across the skyline of San Francisco, from the Transamerica Pyramid to Maritime Plaza, from the MoMA to the Metreon, fog swirling in my wake like a miniature cyclone. I'll wait in the darkness, legs tensed, ready to spring, still as a gargoyle upon St. Mary's, cape flapping behind me like undone sails. I'll hoist Washington Square muggers into the air, then land soft as a cat on a cable car's back, black as night cloaks spilling over roof's edge. I'll save people from themselves, all the while chanting, I am the tireless night. I cleave foul hearts with bladed fear. I cowl the rising moon with my shadow.